Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about some enhancements to snippets that will be coming out with version 10.8 of OU Campus. The core functionality and use of snippets will remain the same, but the creation and management of snippets has been greatly improved. Let's take a look. As a level 9 or 10 admin, I'm able to hover over the content menu and click snippets to enter the snippet management screen. I'm still able to create and manage snippet categories as before. None of that has changed. The new stuff comes to light when I go to a snippet and edit it, or when I create a new one like I am here. Editing or creating a snippet brings up a brand new screen that allows me to set a host of options for the snippet. First of all, you'll see that snippets are now account-wide, meaning that I can have the same snippet available across all my sites without having to create duplicate snippets in each site. Alternatively, I can select the No Limit to Selected Sites option to make this snippet available only where I want it. Now on top of that, I can also restrict usage of a snippet to a particular group of users. For example, if I make this snippet only available to the admissions group, users who do not belong to admissions will not see the snippet while editing a page. We'll look at that later. The next big change is that the source code of my snippet is now right here on the same screen. No more editing a file that has been uploaded to the _resources folder or anywhere else. I can edit the snippet source right here. Finally, one quick note that's also different: snippet names cannot contain forward slashes or backslashes. You'll get a warning if you attempt to add one to the name of the snippet. At the end of the day, once I save the snippet, it will be available for me to use on a page. Let's go to a page really quick and let's see that. When I'm on a page, inserting a snippet will function as normal, whether I use the snippets gadget or I use the insert snippet icon in the toolbar. Now, if I were to log in as a different user, one who was not part of the admissions group, you can go ahead and see that when I edit that same page, I can use all the same snippets in the system except for the one that I had locked down previously. So, with all of that in mind, let's just recap the enhancements coming to snippets in version 10.8. Snippets will now be account-wide, and you can restrict a snippet for usage in only certain sites. You can lock down the access of snippets so that only certain users can add a given snippet to a page. Editing the snippet code has never been easier. You'll have a source code editor right there when you want to edit a snippet's content. Finally, remember that adding snippets to a page hasn't changed. You can still use the insert snippet icon or the snippets gadget when editing your content. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching.